Today I'm going to show you how I made my own lacrosse stick. I really love how it came out and I can't wait to get out and use it. I'm a big Syracuse fan and I think they're going to finish what they started last year and take home the title this year. Let me know who you think is going to win in the comments. If you like what you see, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe. Let's get started. I got a piece of scrap oak that I had lying around. Oak is an okay choice for a lacrosse stick because it's pretty strong and pretty light, but hickory or ash would probably be a better choice if you have them. I wanted the final width to be 1 inch by 7/8, so I started by ripping the piece a little over an inch by a little over 7/8 of an inch so I could sand it down to its final width and length and have a nice snug fit. Once I had the piece to the size I wanted, it was time to shape it. I set the angle on the table saw to 45 degrees and marked off where I wanted my cuts to be, and ran the piece through the table saw for all 4 corners. At this point, I am starting to get really excited because it's really starting to come together. Once all of the cuts were made, I did a test fit to make sure it worked. It fit perfect, a little too perfect. It was kind of hard to get back off. But I marked where I needed the screw to go and used the drill press to drill the hole all the way through the stick. I was going to use a locking nut to help hold the head in place. You can use a regular drill for this, but make sure you're drilling straight at a 90-degree angle. With the hole drilled, it's time to cut it down to its final size. I brought it over to the miter saw and cut it down to its final length of 30 inches. I took some spray adhesive and glued sandpaper to a scrap piece of wood to make a sanding block. I then sanded each of the 8 sides of the stick, repeating this process from 100 grit all the way up to 220 grit. I tried to avoid sanding up top where the screw is so the head would still fit really snug. For the finish, I used a golden oak stain that I had from a previous project and absolutely loved the way it looked. When that was dried, I put a coat of sealant on it to help protect it on rainy and snowy days. With everything finished, it was time to put everything together and put the screw in. I really love how this came out, and it was super easy to make. Let me know what you think of how this came out and what I should try to make next. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.